Hello everyone, friends, and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can change the background color in your Instagram story. Friends, please subscribe to this channel. Be sure to put your likes, write your comments after watching the video, and let's get started. So, friends, first of all, open up the Instagram app, and if you want to create a story, you're going to have to, when you go to the Create Story section on the left side, click on these two letters Add, Create. Now, as you can see, this kind of colored background appears. And in order to change the color of that background, on the bottom right side, you click on this circle right here. So as you can see, the background color changes, just the way you want it. Next, also what you can do is you can choose a photo from the gallery, any photo at all. And if you zoom in on it, then as you can see, the background around the photo automatically adjusts to the photo. That is, the background will be dominated by the colors that prevail on the photo so that it looks harmonious. Also, if you, let's say, want to fill the entire background of your story with a single color that you like, then you'll need to click on the top right side, 3 dots. Next is to draw. Then you need to choose any color that is suggested at the bottom, or choose some color that is marked in the photo, and just long press on the background. Like this. And as you can see, the whole background will be filled with this color. So it will overlap your Instagram photo, but don't worry, you can keep the background like this. And then click on the sticker at the top. Click Photo and add a photo like this. Friends, with a few ways you can easily change the background color in your Instagram story. I hope this video helped you and was useful for you. Friends, please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write comments, and see you soon.